At 200 miles per hour, the road becomes a weapon.
Human skin lasts less than a second.
Survival depends on material.
Impact comes next. This suit absorbs what bones cannot. Even the stitches are engineered.
A rider doesn't wear this suit.
They rely on it.
Because when everything goes wrong, this suit decides what survives. Racing suits begin long before stitching.
Grain tells the story of strength.
Stitching matters as much as skin. Impact protection arrives separately. Every batch is traceable. Even storage affects survival. Approved and rejected never mix.
It's approved. Start production.
From here, precision takes over. Nothing is assumed.
Once cut, there is no return. Precision begins here.
Leather is conditioned before it is trusted.
Strength is pulled from the material. Deformation is acceptable. Failure is not.
Tears must stop, not spread. The road will try to erase it.
Seconds here mean survival later.
Friction creates heat. Leather must endure it. Protection must bend without breaking. Weak points are identified before cutting.
Testing is never done once.
Only proven panels move forward. From testing to shaping.
Only now is leather allowed to become armor. Once cutting begins, there is no correction.
Every panel is mapped to a specific body impact zone.
Leather forms the outer shield. Textiles provide movement without sacrificing protection.
Impact zones receive additional layers.
Each piece already knows where it belongs. Protection and flexibility are built together.
Even waste is tracked.
Assembly order affects strength. Seams are engineered stress paths. This is the last pause.
From pieces to protection.
Stitching decides whether protection stays together. Every penetration weakens material if done incorrectly.
3 seams, 1 failure point,
Flexibility prevents catastrophic tearing.
Joints receive the highest forces in a crash.
Seams are tested before the suit is finished.
Machine work is verified by human eyes.
Comfort prevents distraction at speed. Entry points must never become weak points. Cooling is engineered, not punched.
The suit begins to resemble the rider.
Armor placement is planned before insertion.
Structure is now locked. One flaw is enough to fail a suit. Next, protection is added. Armor is installed where impact is unavoidable. Shoulders take the first hit.
Joints need protection without restriction.
The spine cannot be repaired.
Front impacts are absorbed before reaching vital organs. Energy must spread, not concentrate.
Loose armor is dangerous armor.
Protection only works if it fits. Movement cannot shift protection.
Before a rider trusts this suit, machines try to destroy it. This machine simulates sliding across asphalt at highway speed.
The road never forgives. Seconds here determine survival later.
Material integrity remains intact.
Abrasion isn't the only threat.
Force is delivered instantly.
Energy spreads away from the body.
Crashes don't happen once.
If seams fail, everything fails.
Limits are tested so riders never reach them. Only tested suits earn approval.
Rejected gear is never repaired for sale.
This mark means survival was tested.
Tests leave marks. Riders should not.
Testing ends here. Responsibility begins next.
Now, protection meets the rider.
This is the last line of defense.
Fit must survive movement.
Surface damage compromises everything beneath it.
This suit is cleared to leave the factory.
Protection continues after production.
From factory floor to racetrack.
Engineering meets reality.
Speed will test what we built.
The suit does its job when it is never noticed.
This is how survival is manufactured.